guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be trying fake tan for the first time. The self tanner, aka I need to apply it to my body myself. This is not a sponsored post, but it looks like it because they're both matching brands. That is Le Tan. This is also Le Tan. This is happening is because the other day I was doing a little bit of Christmas shopping and I was waiting to pay. You know, near the checkout area, they always have these like stands of things that you can buy last minute without thinking about it. And that was me on the day. And then I thought, yeah, today's the day I'm gonna start tanning myself. Self-tanning, dry oil, ultra dark. It's an oil. Just double checking. And then I bought a mitt separately from a separate shop. Because I don't know really how to do this without reading instructions or seeing anybody else do it, I watched some YouTube videos and I found none which teaches you how to apply dry oil. I guess if this all works out, this is gonna be a tutorial or a massive fail. But anyway, let's just get into it. Before I do this, I will read out the instructions. So for a flawless
streak-free tan, ensure skin is clean and exfoliated. Tick, did that earlier?
Shake well. And then I guess you're gonna see the results in 2 minutes. Now this mitt, it does have some instructions as well. It says, "'Tis time to apply." What is that? Oh, wow! Plasticky on the inside. And maybe my hands were just a little bit sweaty, that's why it's squeaking. It's hot today. Anyways, like how much do I put? It said apply. To my face as well. But I'm sweating. I need to wipe my sweat. This is not good. I wonder if it has colour. Oh! There's my little bit of self-tanner. I guess I have to put more. I just feel like it's so weird that I'm using a mitt. It's like, I feel like I should rub it into the mitt first so that it's equal, but then like does the mitt just absorb all of the product? Someone who fakes tan on a regular basis is watching this and is telling me to get off the internet right now. That's okay. Where do I begin? Where do I begin? I'm gonna begin on my chest. Oh my god. It's because, oh my god. Sorry guys, it's squeaky on the inside. Wow. I'm doing this because I wanted to even up my, see my décolletage. Whoa! Do I have to do my armpits? Surely not. Like you don't want your armpits to be brown. Or do I? Do I want it to be the same color? I am wondering if I should do it fast because like if I don't do, oh my god. I just realized I started more and then reapplied on top. That means I've done a second application without meaning to. Well, we'll find out later if that's a bad thing. I'm gonna time this. It's 2:39 p.m. Look, it's darkening already. I guess I have to do my fingers as well, so that's what it looks like. It's kind of brown, but if I go over it again, does that mean it's a second application? I just want to even it out. It really bothers me that this is squeaking because I'm not that sweaty. I mean, I look like I'm sweating like a pig, but I'm just not that. Wow! Woo! I'm tanning! This is so nice. Okay, now let's do the side. How do I reach my back? How does one reach their back? Guys, I feel like I need to put it on my armpits. You can't see it, but I can see it. I can see a difference, like, not that much though. Can you see this a bit green? It's got like a greenish tone. Okay, now it's better. Now I'm going to apply to my legs and see here I've got like some stretch marks. So I wonder if it's going to cover that. Okay. I guess this also means I need to apply it to my ears. Confident about. Ready? Oh my god. It smells nice. It smells like, just smells nice. It smells like, you know, like that perfume that you get that's like not really perfume and smells a little bit more like rubbing alcohol. Does this classify as a second application or no? I guess Second application really means that you've stopped, you've let it set, and then reapplied. I don't want to open my eyes just yet, just in case my eyes are sensitive to it. Okay, whew. It's a lot of work. Going to apply this to my other arm. This part, watch this, okay? Let's see if this does anything. That's with, oh, I can see, I swear. I'm done. Now I'm just gonna do all the other bits and pieces and I'll come back. See you then.
A few moments later.
About 3 hours has passed. Do you see a difference? But you know what? I want to do one more application. This is nowhere near as scary as I thought it was going to be. Let's do one more. There is a little bit of sticky. It's not super sticky, but there's a feeling even when it's dried. I know this is supposed to still develop over the next 1 to 3 hours, but whoop. I mean, it's not like I've never been burnt on the beach before, you know. And I'm gonna put it on. Look how confident I am now. Look, I put it on my armpit. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Welcome back. Well, same video. So it's approaching 9:30 p.m. the day after. I think. What do you think? Do you think it's worked? I think it has. I wanted to shower last night because I normally shower before I go to bed, but I also didn't want to remove it because it hadn't been the 4 to 6 hours since my application. I had a meeting today and they said I look sun-kissed, or like I've been out in the sun, so I guess it's working. I can't believe I did not used to do this before. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Have you ever used fake tan? Do you have any recommendations? Based on what you see here, do you think this is a good tan? In my opinion, it looks pretty natural. Give me your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any comments or questions, pop them in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I was gonna say that soon. Hurry up. Just kidding. Please do. Today's episode. You know how they... I'm going to be trying first. I'm going to be trying to speak properly. How's the armpits? I got a little bit frivolous the other day.